Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 4th, subject GK. So we are studying is it true or is it true? So we are on the mosquito bite, right? So what we are discussing about, only female mosquitoes bites us. So next, all canaries sings beautifully. It is false. Okay, all canaries sings beautifully. It is false. What is true? Only male sings beautiful. Unlike ostrich, riha and emu can fly. So it is also false because no ostrich, riha and emu cannot fly. Okay, they run fast but they can't fly. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. See what an amazing thing we are studying now. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. It is true. So what is your weight and how many weight you can pull out? Okay, don't try to pull out 300 times of your weight. Don't do this. Okay, so I am just telling you the amazing thing that an ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. Okay, conversation means steps taken by people, governments, organization to protect. I am sorry, it is not conversation, it is a conservation. Okay, so conservation means steps taken by people, governments, organization and organization to protect trees, plants, animals and nature. So is it, if it is absolutely true, because after so many years, when there we feel the disadvantage of the deforestation, or we can say hunting, then nowadays we are realizing what how trees are important for us, how animals are important for us, and the nature plays a very major role in our life, not in our life, in every living thing's life. So it has to take an it has to take a decision, or we can say major step uh, in the to protect the trees, to protect the animals which are disappearing. The disappearing means their number, total numbers, or we can say they are we can find them in less, so such like tigers. Okay, tigers are our pride, and we can say it is a national animal. So though it is our national animal, nowadays due to hunting or so many reasons are there, the numbers of tigers are less in India. So many steps are taken. There is, I think, what it say, it's animal sanctuaries are there, then they get protected, make some rules, some laws against the hunting. Okay, to protect this type of animals. So it is very necessary to protect our trees, our plants, animal and also nature. So that's why this conservation is the main step taken by the peoples, also government and organizations also. Of course government had made so many rules, and so many organization are really doing so many good things in according to protect the trees and protect the nature and animals also. Dogs are short sighted, yes, it is true. Poachers are the people who care for wild animals. It's absolutely false. These are the people who kills the animals and sell their parts for money. Okay, a bull gets angry when it sees the color red. Absolutely false, because they are color blind. Okay, now in B question, you have to find out, that means you have to make the you have to collect the information about these animals: camel, dromedary, that is one hump. Have you seen the camel? Okay, it is not necessary to see camel. You can see in the pictures, or we can say in the National Geographic channel. Also, you can see on Google. Also, I think you are studied about the in our study. So, animal is the sheep of desert. So many uses of these animals we are studied. So we have to find out the difference between dromedaries and bacterians, that is two humps. So these are the two types, or we can say two species of camels. So not large differences in between them, but there are some difference. So you have to, for a curiosity, you can collect the information about them, and you have to write in your diaries or in your GK copy. Then bear, polar Arctic and sun Southeast Asia. So have you seen polar bear? It is just like whitish in color. So it is cat like also its body language, and it's absolutely white in color, and its feather is so silky that sun rays can easily pass through it. So many different characters, or we can say some changes are there in the polar bear. So you can find out the information about it. You find it very interesting. Okay, then panda, the red giant panda's picture is given in our book. Okay, so isn't it look like a cat? But it is little bit difference is also there. Okay, so get information about it and write it in your copy. Fine, we will start our next chapter, that is insects. So insects are harmful or useful? Can anyone tell me? Insects are harmful to us or useful to us? Yes, they are harmful also and useful also. So just regular example, mosquito. Mosquito is useful or harmful? Very harmful. I hate it. Okay, so many diseases are due to this mosquito. And what about the honeybee? Everyone like honey, na? So honeybee is very useful for us. Of course, it bites. If it cuts us, it is very. We can say it is very unbearable. Wounds are there, but it makes a honey, sweet honey, right? So many insects are useful and harmful also. Let's see which insects are useful for us. So I have made some list of the useful insects. See, earthworm. Earthworm is very useful for farmers. Okay, then ladybug is also useful for farmers. Honeybee, just now I discussed. Then proud praying mantis is also very useful. Then great green lacquer wings, beautifully daring dragonflies, ground beetles, wasps, spiders. Yes, spiders are also very important in garden, very useful in garden. If spiders are not found in garden, the pest outbreaks in garden and they totally eats our garden. Okay, so don't hate insects, because all insects are not harmful. Some insects are useful also. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the insects. Unscrabble the letters to get the name of each insect. Daggers are the usually attracted to white flowers. They can see color white easily in the dark. So moths are the some special type of insects. They are usually attracted to white flowers. They can see the color white easily in the dark. Okay, in discussing useful insect, I forgot one important function of this insect. Due to insect pollination process is also I want to say